What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today, here it is. Note 10 Plus by Samsung. Let's unleash this beast.
For all time's sake.
So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and no doubt you've already seen this. There are tons of reviews out there for this, but I wanted to come at you with my personal unboxing video just to show you how the one that I picked up looked. Now, I know a lot of people are going for the actual Aura Glow version. It comes in Aura Black, Aura White, and actually Aura Blue. That's special at Best Buy, and I actually opted for the blue one because I kind of wanted to be a little different. I didn't know of a whole lot of people that were getting that version. So this is it. This is the 256 gigabyte version of the Aura Blue Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It actually comes with the Note. It comes with the S Pen, the wall charger, USB connector, stereo headset tuned by AKG. It comes with a quick start guide and the actual terms and conditions. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing open. Now, carefully lifting this up, the first thing you are greeted with is that phone, that beautiful 6.8-inch display right here. Now, this is not going to be a full review, guys. This is just a quick unboxing just to show you guys the actual phone itself, because I got to activate it, I got to play with it, and I can't let you guys know what the phone is like until I use it myself. Now, there should be an extra screen protector on here. There we go. Got that right there. And here we go. Beautiful looking phone right here. So let's go ahead and hit that real estate right quick just to show you guys what is on here. You actually have the S Pen down here, speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, and a mic down bottom. Over here on the side, you have volume rocker up and down, your power/Bixby button that can be remapped. And over here on this side, it is bare. Nothing over here. You got your 3 camera setup on the back with your flashes, and then up top is where you are going to have your micro SD card and your SIM tray, another microphone up top, and your hole punch camera right there in the center. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. I'm going to let it sit back here in the background, and I'm going to let it do its thing, and we're going to actually go through the contents of the box. So pulling this down right here. So for the blue variant, you are going to get a black wall charger. This is a super fast charging wall charger. We're going to talk about that in our next video. I'm not getting into all of that right now. We just want to know what's in the box. We'll talk about that stuff later. But remember, super fast charging wall adapter right there. In here, USB Type-C cable. Now, this is C to C now, so you're not going to have to plug in and then carry that cord around. You can take this separately. Nothing else there. Our AKG headphones right here. Now, what's cool about these headphones is they actually come with a USB Type-C adapter. They have extra earpieces to go with them, and they have volume up and down and pause, play, everything attached right here. Now, we know that this phone does not have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so I got to keep it all the way 100 with you. That is probably the move that every phone is going to right now. Bluetooth is all that we need, so no headphone jack on here. You're going to plug your speakers in right here, and you're good to go. So speakers sit to the side. Now, all these accessories over here are black. So remember, for the Best Buy Blue, the Blue Beast right here, that's my term. If I hear anybody else using it, I'm coming for you. The Blue Beast is back here, and it has all black accessories. USB Type-A to USB Type-C, and that's it. That's in there, and that is the box. So this is everything that actually comes in the box, guys. This right here in my hands is the Blue Beast, the Aura Blue. Now, it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, but I have tons of cases to show you guys, so I'm going to slap one of those cases on, and it actually shines a little bit and changes different color blues depending on what angle you're looking at it. So nice phone, feels good in the hand. we are about to get this thing started. So I got to put my SIM card in, and I'm going to use this for a few days. Once I use this, guys, I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you know exactly how I feel about it, what I like about it. We're doing a full review. So this is going to be a long video, so I want you guys to be prepared for that. We're going to go through everything that you need to know about this phone and why it's going to be one of the best phones of 2019. So once again, this has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Aura Blue, or as I like to call it, the Blue Beast. Be sure to stay tuned because that review will be coming in the next few days. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.